Regina Daniel and NED Nwoko. In fact, our dad, yes, you know me say sometimes our father make misbehave, may we not see put respect. You know me say our dad carry our sister or our last bump for elap, may we not still give her respect. May we still give her respect. Please, if today the first time coming across Naija Daughter TV, please do well to subscribe. Follow me, okay? I dey bring news. I dey bring anything news, okay? Me not tire for me, oh. Me not tire for this girl. Hey, let's go straight to this topic. Now our papa NED Nwoko. NED Nwoko, I be NED Nwoko. Yes, they mention your name because I'm loyal, I'm humble, but I need to mention it so that people will know who I they talk to. Okay, I can call you my dad, our uncle. Yes, I can call you our uncle, our dad, but I need to mention your name. I'm sorry, sir, if you hear your name from my mouth. You say when that they do it, see they means the track. Children will still call daddy. I'm sorry, daddy. Daddy, it's not like this now. Daddy, it's supposed to be like this. Yes, our daddy Nedi Nwoko, waiting he talk. He said. Many people, in fact, he break many people table and leg and heart. He said for our side, that is from East or no Yoruba, those places. Say they know they marry, they know they encourage polygamy. Now I mean that they see pro way for everywhere. Hey, daddy, Nedi Nwoko. You where you marry, how many wife you don't marry now? The wife when you marry now, if no be say you get money, just forget. No, they talk. Oh. You see as Regina, they do, honey, the seat of my book, they did this of my book. If no be say money, if na lie, may or not that man, I wish say she never marry. I'm sorry, I will draw that my word. Man, when he old, when you know who old reach out for you, they will don't toast this your girl, this your wife. She no accept. Now because of your kudi, for me, now her choice. She loves to live large and she loves to wear the latest human hair, the latest iPhone, the Porsche car. Yeah, that is her dream and she go for it. But what if they chook my liver, echo meme, big say, wait till you talk as a father. And as our politician, when you they try, you want rule country, the full country. But look, wait till come out from your mouth. I did France today. France, no, they encourage police. If you are done with your wife, maybe your wife do with her, maybe abuse, or maybe two of them are not going sweet to go again, now go divorce. Then you are free to go with another person. Or, you not still there, you not still they manage your life. But not be the one when you come for Twitter, be Instagram, they write and say, Sultana, I be Notana. They know they encourage polygamy. Now I make prostitute full Notana. I be Sultana. Yes, now South, not. South. My daddy, Nedi Nwoko, may I call you daddy? You know me say you marry our last of senior Regina Daniel. Me I not see put that respect. Me I see put that respect because any man for our side, man when you still marry your junior one, now he go to respect you, you know. I know you respect me, but me I still respect you because I understand that. You say they know they encourage Pauline, I make prostitute for everywhere for not Sultana. No, daddy. No, daddy. You school for London. Have you forgot? Say you school for London. London when you for school, how many police you see for London? And they call them polygamy, but I'm just shorting it. How many police you see for UK? UK when you for school, when you for become lawyer, I don't know what you read again, you know. You see police for the polygamy. No. You see polygamy for there? No. You know why Nigeria, they'll come out and you as a father, Nwoko, you know so you don't born children. Those your first daughter now, imagine maybe a man of 50 years go say you want to marry her. I believe say people like now agree, you know, agree, man like near your daughter. People like now, maybe your daughter wants start to the date. People like now, no they agree. Now they greed because now no way to do other people children. I'm sorry, I will draw down my words. You understand? How you go just sit down or carry your this to just start with the right say they know they encourage polygamy and I make not southerner say a prostitute they did not turn a prostitute not they. I be the country when they really promote polygamy they tell you say prostitute not they. I bet before now they come on social media, me una they sit down, sit think as elderly person, when una they rule the children of Nigeria, the children of the world. You know, no, just come out. Imagine, pets will not get sense now. Maybe my age mates will not get sense now. Maybe boy, he go say, if this dad can encourage police, let me go Chester. After I come Chester and finish, police no fit do one. I beg. Now this one I get to tell you say no. Now your money now make you fit do police. If not be money and you don't be saying they slave people children, you know fit do police. You they slave people children. Me I talk am. Yes, now slave queen. Now you they make pros. How can you close your eye and put that kind of in fact of girl for your house? They call her your wife. You close your eye. You fit on top of your chest. They fear God. Have fear of God. Yes, have fear of God. Me not come for me. Me not come for names. I go just come and say that because they know they promote police. They say we are prostitutes, not they. It not mean say per se. For Bible, when me still believe, maybe your Quran too. There is people when they will serve God. If God destiny you say you will marry, you must marry. If God say you will not marry, no matter what, you will not marry. In the Bible, those days, not be everybody they marry. Now everybody still they marry. I pray those who really love to settle down, marry, may God send them their husband, their wife. No, they talk, no come on social media, start they pronounce now because they promote polygamy, now make Nigeria, now make a prostitute full Southerner. No, not talk am again. As a father, as a politician, when you say, hey, me una see who na want to vote for, hey, no be talk am that day, I'm sorry. Hey, me una see who na want vote for, hey, they will put Regina front for front. Regina Daniel, Regina, hey, this one is deep, hey, my mouth now for here, yes, so my people, now this one break comments to tell una, tell my daddy say, Nwoko say, no, may he not talk like that. He even make just of his wife, he even say, I dey treat you like, I make you like a princess, yes, because now what she dream. Because if father don't get her, mother don't get her. And she no one hustle like me. Hey, allow me to hustle. Hey, allow me to hustle. Hey, allow me to hustle to enjoy my body. No. My sister Regina Daniels no one hustle. Now food when you don't done. Now make you find, now make you succeed though. Now before we call you can tell her say you make her you make her to be a princess. That is her dream. And it will come true to her. Anything when she face for inside house, nobody knows. So far, maybe we see the latest iPhone, the latest human hair. When she get do like this, the latest car. Yes, money is not everything. I wish you the best, my beautiful sister Regina Daniel. If you are happy with your husband, me, I don't get anything. But if not they happy, they buy, they show all those million. Money is not everything. Don't forget. Now we never see. Now they talk. No, I don't see big money, but this my cup, you understand? Don't be money, be everything, okay? Happiness is free. If they give you happiness and you defeat, they open your eye and they on top of you, just they do and you don't give her to me. I don't get anything. But my papa, stop telling her, say now your wife say you make her you make her be like a princess. Yes, princess. Abi, you're supposed to call her queen because she's your queen. Queen and princess, which one you feel? She's supposed to be your queen, not princess. Let me correct you for that place. Queen. Say, I dey treat you like queen. I make you like queen. Don't be I make you like princess. If you say princess, that is you they look like your daughter. And your lagu they enter. Your lagu see they enter. And you make her like your princess. I'll put that place for now. Then Nwoko make Regina as a princess, no as a queen, no as a princess. Me una know say Regina Daniel, Nwoko say they look her like her child, her last born. How will Nwoko be born? Regina will be her last born, being in last born, or maybe if I wish na man when one born 2, 3, if I not born Regina. He don't they call her queen. He say, I make you feel like princess. Now picking when person born. Woman when you marry, I make you feel like queen. You are my queen. Do you know that? And Regina, gosh. My people, I just say me a rant with Regina Nwoko with her husband. Yes, I just say me a rant with. I hope you enjoy this my ranting. One comment. Me I read only this one comment. You know that I love to read one comment. I'm stupid. I will draw down my words. People still cry over say she married the man. She married the man. She not a teenager anymore. She is mother. I don't understand though, my people. Now wait till that comment are talking. For me, Nwoko say they look like a teenage, a prince, a princess. Yes, because Nwoko waiting, Nwoko talk for here. He say Regina Daniel Kosh. They say Regina Daniel Kosh over her hubby Ned Nwoko say he make her feel like a princess. Now that one me say for inside. Her husband say he make Regina Daniel feel like a princess, not a queen. A princess means your daughter. You are looking at her like your daughter. Yes. A child who you look like your daughter, you close your eye, be on top of her. Fear God though. You never have claim her like your queen. You're supposed to say, I treat you like my queen, not like my princess. Your princess and your prince. She is giving you prince now. The rest she will give you princess. How can you treat mama and picky princess and princess? Probably not too much. Poverty is a disease. When they talk and say they know they promote police for South Tana. Why they always South Tana say they make a prostitute. The prostitute not the North Tana. Not only when they say they go over because of say police they go pregnant woman feel they go run liver. Not talk am again you when you want call the rude people. Now when I vote when I shine now. When I say because of Regina, that when I vote when I vote out I be in. Which one you choose? Me not like this oh. You not like this, me not like this. Imagine this kind of person now vote. May I live with my people? May now we'll see for the next video. What say they talk? They say he make Regina princess. Now princess, you want to make your wife a big queen? No, let me hear them again. Now let that one. Now let that part. Let me see. And why? Whether your wife they promote, you know, that one not concern me. Why Southern, you know, they promote polygamy. Not only they promote polygamy. They don't see they see prostitute out there. They don't see they see please, my people, thank you all my returning subscribers, all my amazing people, all my go people. When I drop in the comment for the comment section, is it good as Ned they, you know, address how a wife as a princess, as a princess, supposed to be queen, not your princess. For me, you see, princess mean your daughter. Yes, that's all. Queen mean your wife. It's your wife. He's your wife. Okay. If you never subscribe, do where to subscribe, okay? You can watch this my video. You don't